In this modern technological world, from picking out gadgets to surfing the net, up to deciding on where to eat, stocks are in play and managed by big corporations, which can be among your options in choosing where to buy stocks from. With these numbers all over us, selecting which to invest in is important. Factors such as the company's stability, its profit, dividend shares, and stock prices should be considered. All the while, envisioning the growth of your money in the hand of these businesses, trusting that gut feeling, and the performance of the company is a major contributor to a successful investment. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 companies that you should check out and buy stocks from that you must not let go of. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before we continue. The first one on our list has a multicolor logo and our go-to teacher every time we have questions about anything and everything under the sun. To communicate with it, begin with, "Hey Google." Yep, that's right, Google, which is undeniably the most used search engine that has kept a steep 85% market share amongst all the other search engines out there. It can even go up to 90% if we were to exclude China. Users like it for its accurate and fast delivery of information across the internet. Its parent company Alphabet not only owns Google but also a lot of other companies coming up to 200 in numbers, such as Waze and the very known cash cow, YouTube. I guess it's safe to say that Alphabet is growing very rapidly in the market and it continues to expand its hold over other various companies. With its foundation, a downfall is difficult to imagine as it has a pool of cash just sitting around, so if any problems arise, the company can just use manpower to solve it. It has a monopoly over the business world, which ensures investors of its stability. Next is a crowd favorite and probably the most known tech company in the world. From children, teenagers, adults, and even up to the elderly, everyone owns at least one of their products. Even with its expensive price tag, people just can't seem to get enough of collecting and keeping updated with their latest releases, which is reasonable as it offers both excellent hardware and software. If you still haven't guessed it yet, it's a fruit. Just kidding. Or am I? Anyway, the second on our list is Apple. This company offers a friendly ecosystem to its users. This is why if you already have an iPhone, it's rather enticing to buy not just any laptop, but a MacBook instead, even if you need to spend a little more because it keeps communication between your gadgets easier than ever. And before you know it, you already have an iPhone, a MacBook, an iPad, and an iWatch. Apple also offers services that increase the portion of the company's revenue, and the service revenue gives off a very high profit margin, such as selling cloud or payments through Apple Credit Card. Customers remain so satisfied and loyal to the company that even if there are only a few changes from the previous iPhone model, new versions are selling fast like hotcakes, making you as an investor feel much more secured by this flow of money in the company. Do you own any Apple products? If not, then the fruit is still a favorite option. After all, as the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you like what you've seen so far, click on the like and subscribe button. Third on our list is the classic Microsoft company. Microsoft is a massive cash cow in the industry. I'm pretty sure that you're already a patron of this company's products. For starters, the Microsoft 365 suite is used by pretty much almost everyone. If you're a student, there's no other presentation application software that can top off Microsoft's PowerPoint because not only does it offer a wide array of tools to choose from, it's also very convenient to use. Even elementary students are using this application software in their class presentations. Microsoft Excel is also a very essential application software for businesses and the like, as it keeps a tally of information in a very organized manner. As a technological company, Microsoft similarly produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Last year, Microsoft released its latest operating system, which is Microsoft Windows 11, following its predecessor, Windows 10. This new system offers features such as the startup system, task view, virtual desktops, and widgets, many widgets. An operating system like this vacuum is immense fortune as mostly all laptops and computers in existence use this. The company continues to widen its profit as just recently, it made an increase of 20% for their business clients, creating pure extra revenue. With its stronghold in the stock market, bankruptcy is a far-off topic. Fourth on our list is a company that you may or may not have heard of, and it's called BlackRock. If you're not a beginner in the stock trading world and already own a couple of ETFs like an S&P, I'm pretty sure that BlackRock already has you as its customer. This company with over 9 trillion assets under its management is the largest asset management firm in the world. Its most widely known product is the iShares ETFs. The way they make money is through the fees of these ETFs or also from actively managed funds. For example, a 0.1% fee is collected for every user, and with over 9 trillion assets that are still growing, you can picture out how much they can collect annually. With a huge number of assets they control comes an equal power. Their institutional and private investors are also large in number. As long as people want to make investing easy in different companies, or as long as ETFs are on the market, BlackRock will continue to stand firm. Alright, are you already thinking of investing in those companies I've mentioned? Before we move on to our last agenda for this video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Finally, Big Mac, Chicken McNuggets, Baked Apple Pie. Yum? Did that make you hungry? Well, I for one would go to McDonald's after this video. This famous fast food chain, which is known throughout the globe, is the last on our list. Not only is it known for its greasy and affordable menu, but the company is also renowned as the biggest real estate company in the world. Yes, you heard that right. McDonald's, with its more than 20,000 store locations in every prime city in every country, owns most of the land. They only operate a few stores directly, and they lease the others to the franchisee, who pays the company's rental fee but also gives a revenue share for each sale to McDonald's. The company only has a low cost to gain a large profit. If that isn't a sure way of earning money, I don't know what is. The approach here is through their key locations and their widely known brand. I know for a fact that when you visit another country and you're quite unfamiliar with their food there, the always go-to place is McDonald's, which makes your taste buds feel safe and is filled with a sense of familiarity, as the chicken McNuggets taste exactly the same back home in your own country. But with the recent trends of eating healthier these days, some might think that McDonald's may lose its popularity. But contrary to belief, if the company wants to alter its menu, it certainly can. But they would keep some of their star meals, because during midnights, eating a greasy, fatty, and salty Big Mac is just the perfect answer to your cravings. Assuming that humans will need food to function in their daily lives, McDonald's will always be on the front line, catering to us pretty much for 40 more years from now, as it also has been with us for the past decades. Buying their stocks at the right price will surely leave you with no regrets. Alright, by the way, I'm not some financial advisor or expert, but I'm just giving you a guide on your next step in this highly developing financial world. It'll definitely do no harm to explore more on areas that you're uncertain about, as it is your money that you are going to invest in. If this video was insightful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you!